Hello children, welcome to your numeracy class. Today I am going to tell you about addition. Addition. We are going to talk about addition today. This is a big word, so we will talk about this word later. But first, let us do simple and fun thing, because addition is all about simple and fun thing. So, in the beginning, let us count. Let us count. Let us practice counting. We all know counting. So, show me how fast you can count. Count the candies here. How many candies? 1, 2. 2 candies. Now, quickly count these crayons. How many crayons are there? Show me, count it fast. Yes, there are 4 crayons. You can see and count. Yeah, right? You are getting faster. Now count and tell me how many cones are there. Yes, there are 3 cones. You are really fast. Now, how many strawberry candies are there? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 strawberry candies. Very good, children. Now, I am keeping 1 candy here. Okay, 1 candy. How many candies are there? There are 1. There is only 1 candy. What if I put 1 more candy here? What if I keep 1 more candy here? Now, how many candies I have kept there? 1 and 2. How do we know that? Because we counted these candies together. We counted these candies together. So this is what we are learning here, counting together. Let us see how. Now there are 3 crayons. How many crayons? There are 3 crayons. When I keep 2 more crayons here, how will you tell me how many crayons are now? How many crayons are now here with us? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 crayons. Because we have counted them all together, that is how we knew there are 5 crayons. Now let us learn about this magic sign, our new friend. This is called plus. This is called plus. When do we use this sign? Whenever I put a new thing and we have to add everything together. So there are, how many chocolates are there? There are 1 and 2 candies. Sorry, there are 1 and 2 strawberry candies. Now I am keeping 2 more. Now this plus joins everything all together. It joins everything all together. This plus means we have to count everything all together. So let us count everything all together. Here are 2 and here are 2. Let us count everything together. 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are 4. These are 4. Okay? These are 4 candies all together. Here are 3 red cones. Now I am keeping 3 green cones here. Okay? 3 red cones and 3 green cones. So, when I have to tell how many cones are there, what I have to do? I have to count them all together. And when I have to count them all together, this sign tells me to count them all together. This and this all together. This will bring them together. Now how many cones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now there are 6 cones. So 3 plus 3. 3 cones and 3 cones become 6 cones. So children, addition means counting all together, all together, all together. And this plus sign shows us that we have to count all the things all together. This sign shows us to count everything together, this and this. So children, what did we just learn? What did we just do counting all together? We did addition. We did addition. With this symbol we do addition. This is plus, and whenever there is this symbol we are doing addition. We are counting all together. Everything together is addition. Now I want you to take out your numeracy book 1, page number 64. Put a CW here. And let us begin doing addition, means counting together, all together. Now read this. We are doing addition, right? Count and write the number in the box. Where is the box? Here. We have to count and write the number in the box. How do we have to count? Let us see. There are 1 and 2 cars here. And one more car is here. When there is plus, it tells us to count everything together. Here and here. This side and this side. Count everything together. So how will we count everything together? 1, 2, 3. So we have to count everything together and we have to write the number here. 3. What we just did? We did addition. Now there are 2 caterpillars. 1, 2. Here are 2 more caterpillars. 1, 2. Now we have to count them all together because we have plus here. Plus tells us to count everything together which is around the plus. Everything together. All the caterpillars together. How many caterpillars are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to write 4 here. So 2 caterpillars and 2 caterpillars are 4 caterpillars. These are all 4. All together they are 4. Now how many lotuses are there? 1, 2, 3. Here are 3 lotus. And how many lotus are there? 1, 2. But here is plus sign. So we have to count all of them together. So let us count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 lotuses. There are 5 lotuses. There were 3 and there were 2. But this plus sign makes us to count them all together, and now we know that there are 5 lotus. Now this one you have to do by yourself. You will count this keys and this keys all together because there is plus symbol here. We have to count everything together and we'll write the number here. Okay, we will count everything together, every key together, and we will get a number there to write here. So do it by yourself. It is really easy. Now here we are going to do it a little bit differently. Okay, with a little bit of difference. How will we do that? There are 3 apples. 1, 2, 3. In this box they have written 3. And here is 1 apple. And they have written 1 here. And then they have asked us to count. We have to count and write the number in the box. Then add them all together because there is plus sign. So we have to count them all together and write here. This is equals to sign. Okay, this is equals to sign. This tells us that these are equal to this. Equal, इसके बराबर. ठीक है? तो let us do this question similarly. Count the spiders. 1. Cross it while you count. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 spiders. So I am going to write 4 here. Now I want you to count this. 1, okay. 2, okay. 3, okay. 4, okay. So there are 4 spiders here too. Here are 4. Here are 4. All together, how many are there? Let us count. All together, whatever will come, we will write here. Here in after the equal to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 spiders. So 4 spiders plus 4 spiders all together is 8. All together are 8 spiders. Page number 65. Do this one by yourself. You can do this by yourself. Okay, this one is easy. This one is also easy. I will do this one for you. How many are there? These are beetles. These are ladybugs. How many ladybugs are there? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Really fast we did it, right? So we will write 8 here. Now, how many are here? 1. There is only 1. Now we have to write here the number after counting them all together, because plus tells us to count them all together and write here. Okay, so let us count all together. How do we count all together? सबको साथ में रख के count करना है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So I'm going to write 9 over here. I'm going to write 9 here. So there are 8 plus 1 is equals to, how many spiders are there? There are 9 spiders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 spiders are here all together. Sorry, these are not spiders, these are ladybugs. I'm so sorry. Now let us look what is written here. Add the numbers means we have to add. Plus means we have to add. This is marked for addition. Add the numbers means counting together. Add the numbers and write the answers. So adding means counting together, but there is no object to count. How will we count together when there is no object? Now what we are going to do? Very simple. We will make objects. We have number here 2. So let us make object whichever you like. I am making a cherry here and one more cherry here. I have made 2 cherries because there is written 2. And now I am going to make 2 more cherries here because there is number 2. Now I am going to count all the cherries together because there is plus. So let us count all the cherries together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you see how many cherries are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cherries are there. There are 4 cherries. This was very easy. When the numbers are there, we just have to make objects. And if you do not want to add objects, you can use your fingers to do that. Okay, we will do this one before. 4. There is 4. So you can draw 4 lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Anything you can draw. You can draw ice creams. You will draw ice creams. Okay. I will draw ice creams. 4 ice creams I have drawn. 1, 2, 3, 4 because there is number 4 here. Now how many ice creams I have to draw here? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 ice cream I have drawn here. Now, how many ice creams are all together? How many ice creams are this? I have to add this ice creams. Add means counting together. Addition means counting together. Let us add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh my god, there are 9 ice creams all together. When we add 4 ice creams and 5 ice creams, there are 9 ice creams. We have to add 7 and 3. But there are no objects here. 7 objects. There are no objects here. And there are no objects here. So let us make the objects and then count them all together. Let us add them. So how many objects we have to count here? You can make balls or lines. Lines and making balls is easier than making ice creams and everything. So you can just make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lines. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lines. And you can make how many lines here? 3. 1, 2, 3. Now what does add means? We have to add this together. 7 and 3. 7, add 7 into 3. So how many are there? How many sticks are there? Let us count. Add means counting all together. We have to add. That means counting all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. So 7 sticks and 3 sticks made 10 sticks. That was interesting. Children, I know that you are liking addition very much. You like to add objects, right? Counting all of them together. Whenever there is this add symbol, there is this plus symbol, you want to add everything. Yeah, it is fun, right? It is fun for you. So do this one by yourself, this one by yourself, this one by yourself, because I know it is easy for you. Do it as I have told you here. Make some objects here, line or circles or balls or anything you like to, toffees, candies, ice creams, okay, anything you want. You can draw there and count them all together to add. Let us turn to the page 66. Now there are 2 numbers written here, okay, and here what is written? We have to add means counting together and write the answers. We have to keep everything together. We have to mix everything together and write the answer. Means whatever the count is, we have to write. Where we have to write? Now this time there is no box. We have to write here. And this time they are not written like this, 6 plus 2. No. But this is same. 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 means we have to add 6 and 2 together. We have to count 6 and 2 together. How will we count? Let us make 6 lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you do not have a space, you can make 6 lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Anywhere. Now make 2 lines here. 1, 2. And then the 6 lines. And we have to add 2 lines in this 6 lines. And all together they will make. इधर भी कर सकते हैं. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 lines. So I will write 8 right here. 8 lines. Okay, 8. I have counted everything together to add them. Now 2 plus 8. We can read it like 2 plus 8. We have to add everything together. How? Let us make 2 ball. We will add 2 balls into 8 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make 8 balls here and 2 balls here. Now add them. Add means counting together. Counting them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 balls here. There are 10 balls here. This was easy, right? You like counting. You like counting all together, means adding the numbers. This is easy for you. So you are going to do this 2 pages, 66 and 67 as homework. do these pages as homework. Okay, you are going to have fun while adding. Adding is fun. Counting them together is fun. Adding numbers together is fun. Okay, children, so I'm gonna go now and you are going to practice lots of addition. Bye bye for today. Have a good